How to change your email in Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change your email for your account on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application in your device. After that, now you need to navigate to your profile section. So for that, simply click on the U icon at the bottom, and then after you will see the option of setting below. Simply click on it. In settings, you will see the option of account security, and then after once you click on it, you will see the account details, where you will also find email. Simply click on edit icon beside it. After that, you will receive a verification code in your current email. Enter that code, and now you need to enter the new email. Then after, again you will receive a verification code in your new email. Enter that verification code and click on continue. So that's it. That is how easily you can change your email for Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.